Welcome back to the PLG123. Today we're talking about Microsoft's answer to Notion. Let's dive in. Microsoft announced a new product called Loop at Ignite last week. In short, it's a Notion clone. Loop is made up of three major building blocks: components, pages, and workspaces. Components are interactive building blocks like lists, tables, notes, or even data and objects from other systems like a sales opportunity from your CRM. Second is pages. Once you have components, these components need to live somewhere, and they live in a Loop page where you can create and collaborate with your team in a very open and flexible manner. And third, workspaces. If you have multiple pages, they can all be grouped and linked together into a larger workspace. It's the next layer of abstraction up. And to me, this is more than just product design and features. It represents a fundamental shift in how data is organized. The current state is that you have discrete Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files that then live in a tree of folders where collaboration comes from finding those exact files and sending it to somebody via email or chat. But with Loop, everything is together in the same place and it's all interconnected and hyperlinked together, so it's more of an open whiteboard or a canvas with powerful building blocks and native collaboration directly in the interface. So, big question, will users adopt? And honestly, it's hard to say. It is well designed, it does have some cool features, and it obviously has Microsoft's massive user base and distribution channels at its disposal. We saw Google launch Smart Canvas this past May, which sought to bring similar functionality to Workspace. And I've heard so little about Google Smart Canvas that I had to, Google it to remember the name. Well, that does it for today on the PLG123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for more VC perspectives on today's top stories.